Yesterday, I asked you this question. Who is the most important person in your life? And you must have reflected on this answer to this question. What did come up for you? Did it make you think? And if it did, that was the purpose. That's the shift I want to make in your thought process. So today is day 2, and today also I have a question for you. And I've asked this question to many people. So the question is, what is really important to you in your life? Again, take a pause, answer this question, and then proceed further. So when I've asked this question to many participants in my sessions, the answers that have come up are, my health is important. Answers that have come up are, money is very important to me. Promotions are very important to me. Career growth is very important to me. Recognition is very important to me. Learning is very important to me. And all these answers are right because they are your answers. There are very few people who say happiness is important to me. There are very few people who say my fulfillment, my purpose, my peace of mind, that is important to me. And why coming to these answers is very important. Let's go back to the previous set of answers when I said health is important, relations are important, promotion is important, recognition is important. They are not the final answers. If I ask you a further question, let's say you have said that promotion is important to me, career growth is important to me, and I ask you a further question, why is career growth important to you? And as you keep on answering, the last answer that you will get is happiness, peace, fulfillment. These are the final answers because after this, there is no further question possible. No one can ask, why do you want to be happy? Right? So that is why it's important for you to understand ultimately each one of us, which includes me, which includes you, ultimately our happiness, our fulfillment, these are the things which are important to us. Now the next question that I'm asking is, if you have to make an assessment of yourself on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the best, where do you find your happiness level? It is 6, it is 7, it is 8. Some of you may be at 10 already. Great. But if you are at any number lower than 10, I want to ask you, what is it that you are doing on an ongoing basis which is helping you to move up? Yes, I do agree that there is no measure for this. Only you can answer this for yourself. But are you doing something which will help you to take up on the scale that I talked about? Very important for all of us to understand is, ultimately friends, our actions are very important and they need to be aligned to where we want to go. Our actions will take us to the destination that we are looking for. That is why all your actions that you are doing on a day-to-day basis, you must constantly assess. This is a part of being more aware of yourself. All these, you need to answer it to yourself that whether they are taking you towards higher level of happiness or not. Keep examining that and keep moving towards higher level of happiness, because once you are happy, what do you think you will be able to spread? More happiness, right? I'll see you in my next video and I'll continue to help you towards your growth. Signing off now.